In today's digital age, video content is king, and standing out in the crowd requires exceptional quality. Enter TOPAZ Video Enhance AI, your ultimate tool for transforming ordinary videos into stunning visual masterpieces. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of using TOPAZ Video Enhance AI to make your videos truly stand out. Step 1. Getting started. Before we dive in, make sure you have TOPAZ Video Enhance AI installed on your computer. You can download and install it from the official TOPAZ website. Once installed, launch the application to begin. Step 2. Importing your video. Click on the Import button to load your video into TOPAZ Video Enhance AI. You can select a single video or a batch of videos that you want to enhance. Step 3. Choosing a model. TOPAZ Video Enhance AI offers different AI models optimized for various types of videos. Select the model that best suits your content, whether it's a home video, old footage, or an artistic project. Step 4. Customizing settings. Before enhancing your video, you can fine-tune the settings according to your preferences. Adjust parameters such as noise reduction, upscaling factor, and sharpness to achieve the desired level of enhancement. Step 5. Preview. Hit the preview button to see a real-time preview of how your video will look after enhancement. This feature allows you to make adjustments on the fly and ensures you're satisfied with the results. Step 6. Enhancing your video. Once you're happy with the preview, click on the Enhance button to let TOPAZ Video Enhance AI work its magic. The AI-powered algorithms will analyze and process each frame to enhance details, reduce noise, and improve overall quality. Step 7. Comparison. After enhancement is complete, TOPAZ Video Enhance AI provides a side-by-side comparison of the original and enhanced video. This visual comparison lets you see the remarkable transformation your video has undergone. Step 8. Exporting your enhanced video. Once you're satisfied with the enhancements, it's time to export your video. Choose your desired output format and quality settings. You can also specify the destination folder where the enhanced video will be saved. Step 9. Sharing and enjoying. With your enhanced video ready, it's time to share your creation with the world. Upload it to your favorite social media platforms, websites, or video sharing platforms. Sit back and watch as your videos captivate your audience with their newfound clarity and vibrancy. TOPAZ Video Enhance AI is a game-changer for anyone looking to take their video content to the next level. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly transform ordinary videos into visually stunning works of art that truly stand out in today's competitive digital landscape. Elevate your videos with TOPAZ Video Enhance AI and let your creativity shine. Please subscribe to our channel TNA Media by hitting that subscribe button.